Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summary Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 110 out of 150 questions. This question asks, there are 16 good bananas and 6 bad bananas in the bunch Mina got as a gift from Farmer Morrison. What is the ratio of good bananas to bad ones? The choices are A. 6, B. 16, C. 8 to 3, D. 6 to 16. Again, the question and choices are, there are 16 good bananas and 6 bad bananas in the bunch Mina got as a gift from Farmer Morrison. What is the ratio of good bananas to bad ones? The choices are A. 6, B. 16, C. 8 to 3, D. 6 to 16. Do you know how to calculate ratios? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. There are 16 good bananas and 6 bad bananas in the bunch Mina got as a gift from Farmer Morrison. What is the ratio of good bananas to bad ones? The choices are A. 6, B. 16, C. 8 to 3, D. 6 to 16. Now to read my answer. For ratio, follow the same order as the question asks. Good and bad. Good is 16, bad is 6. Reduce. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Answer C. 8 to 3. Now to explain my answer. When you do ratio, you have to follow the order in which the question was asked. So the question asks, what is the ratio of good bananas to bad ones? So it first stated good bananas and then it stated bad bananas second. So good bananas come first. Good bananas come first. Okay? Good bananas come first. Good bananas come first. So good bananas is 16, bad bananas is 6. So you put the 16 first. 16 comes first. Good bananas is 16, bad bananas is 6. 16 comes first. 16 comes first. So therefore you write 16 to 6. 16 to 6. Next you reduce it just as though you reduce fractions. Just like how you reduce a fraction, you reduce a ratio. If there's a common factor between each number, you reduce it. The you reduce it. If there's a common factor between each number, you reduce it. There's a common factor if a number goes into any of if a number goes into both numbers without leaving a remainder. It is a common factor if the number divides into both numbers without leaving a remainder. It is a common factor if the number divides into both numbers without leaving a remainder. Again, it is a common factor if the number divides into both numbers without leaving a remainder. Now, 2 can go into 16 without leaving a remainder and can also go into 6 without leaving a remainder. So 2 is a common factor. 2 can go into 16 without leaving a remainder, and it can also go into 6 without leaving a remainder. So 2 is a common factor. So let's divide 16 and 6 by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Again, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. It cannot be reduced any further. There is no number that can divide into 8 and into 3 without leaving a remainder. There is no more number that can divide into 8 and into 3 without leaving a remainder. So it's reduced to its lowest. It's reduced to its lowest term. So it's reduced to its lowest term. It's reduced to its lowest term. So the answer is 8 to 3. 8 to 3. So answer C, 8 to 3. Answer C, 8 to 3. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Have your child prepare for the grade 3 diagnostic test, the grade 4 literacy test, the numeracy test, and GSAT and PEP all in one. Remember that GSAT and PEP are both basically the same thing. The exams are structured differently, but the topics are basically the same thing. In PEP, they will still be doing mathematics, language arts, science, social studies, and composition and writing. So you can use this test to prepare for PEP as well, and they are suitable for the grade 3 diagnostic test, the grade 4 literacy test, and the grade 4 numeracy test. Remember that GSAT starts in grade 4 also, and the PEP also starts in grade 4. Don't forget that. So start preparing from grade 4, okay? Start preparing from now. Start preparing from before grade 4. Receive 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests, 10 of each of the 5 GSAT subjects: mathematics, language arts, communication tasks, social studies, and science, with answers and explanations, all conveniently delivered island-wide by email. The full package costs just $4,000. Payments should be made island-wide to any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name is Richard Sharp. Notify me when payments are made to receive your package. Telephone, and this is a WhatsApp number. This number uses WhatsApp, 353-4752, or email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Send me your email. Send me an email when you make payment. Send me an email from the email address that you would like the test sent to. The emails the test sent to. So send me an email after you have made payment. Send me an email from the email address that you would like the test sent to, and in that way I will know the email address that you would want me to send it to. The test will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. Go ahead, write down that account number right now. The Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Sharp. Write down that account number right now and make your payment right now to receive your test, and be ready for PEP, GSAT, grade 3 diagnostic test, grade 4 literacy test, or grade 4 numeracy test. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.